Losing your phone is a high-stress moment. You feel instantly disconnected. But if we move quickly through a few specific steps, we can lock down your data within the next 6 minutes. To start, you need two things. First, a borrowed smartphone or tablet. Second, the exact email address and password for the Google account active on your missing phone. For remote tracking to work right now, the missing device still needs to be powered on and connected to either a Wi-Fi or cellular network. If you already had a PIN or screen lock set up, your device's recent location is securely encrypted across Google's recovery network, giving you an immediate tracking advantage. The window for thieves to access your identity or bank accounts is small. Moving methodically through this checklist is your best defense against financial loss. Let's execute the lockdown. On that borrowed device, open the Find Hub application. If it isn't installed, just navigate to android.com/find on a web browser. Since you're using someone else's hardware, don't log into their main accounts. Tap Sign in as guest at the bottom of the login screen. Enter your Google credentials. Once authenticated, the app displays a map dashboard showing the current or last known location of your missing phone. If the map indicates the phone is close by, maybe it's slipped under a car seat, select the Play Sound command. This triggers the phone to ring at maximum volume for 5 full minutes, and it overrides any silent or vibrate settings you had turned on. Checking the immediate area first ensures you don't permanently erase all your data for a phone that was just hiding in the next room. If the map shows the phone is far away or moving, you must lock it down immediately. Tap the Secure Device option on the dashboard. If your phone didn't already have a lock screen, the system will prompt you to create a secure PIN right now. Next, you can type in a custom recovery message and a backup phone number, like the one on the device you're currently borrowing. The phone instantly locks. The screen goes dark, and when activated, it only displays your custom message and a large button calling your backup number. Your device is now secured. By throwing up this lock screen instantly, you cut off access to your emails, digital wallets, and social media accounts before anyone can start browsing. Before you take any steps to permanently erase the device, tap the Settings gear icon in Find Hub to retrieve your 15-digit IMEI number. Write this down. With the IMEI secured, we escalate to a network-level block. In India, the Department of Telecommunications operates the Sanchar Sathi portal. Click the red Block Stolen/Lost Mobile tab. To file this block, you need digital copies of your identity proof, like an Aadhaar card, and the official police complaint number for the theft. Fill out the device information carefully. The system requires that 15-digit IMEI number you copied earlier, along with the location where the device went missing. Firm. Warning tone. Only after you have written down your IMEI and filed this report should you use Find Hub to erase the device. Triggering a factory reset permanently disconnects the phone from your tracking account. Submitting this form blacklists the device's unique hardware footprint. Even if someone swaps in a new SIM card, the phone becomes completely useless on any cellular network. Upon submission, the portal generates a request ID. Keep this page open or take a screenshot so you don't lose that specific number. Contact your mobile carrier immediately. Provide your police complaint and this request ID, and instruct them to completely suspend the lost SIM card. Until that SIM is deactivated, a thief can put it into another phone to receive your SMS text messages. This allows them to intercept one-time passwords and bypass the two-factor authentication on your banking apps. This timeline shows your next phase of security. Get a replacement SIM quickly, and closely monitor your bank statements for any unauthorized transactions over the next 30 days. By locking the screen remotely, blacklisting the hardware's IMEI, and killing the active SIM, you have neutralized the device and